For today, patchy clouds early, otherwise clouds here and there, a lot of sunshine, 60 by lunchtime, middle 60s this afternoon, wind speeds 15 to 30 miles an hour sustained. Those gusts are going to be higher than that, up near 40 to 45 miles an hour. You see your hourly wind gust forecast here, just how breezy it's going to be as we head through the afternoon. Forecast high temperatures for today, I think middle 60s for many of us, lower 60s in our northeastern communities where you're going to see a little bit more in the way of clouds heading into the afternoon. Next 7 days, we could see a few areas of patchy frost overnight, lows in the middle 30s, windy again tomorrow, high near 60 degrees, lots of sun. 56 on Saturday, maybe a freeze Saturday morning, so be aware of that. For any of you planters, if you have any flowering plants, you might want to watch out for that. 76 on Sunday, showers and thunderstorms possible, better chances of rain heading into Monday, cooler for next week with highs in the lower 60s.